My name is David Schott. I'm a tooling engineer here at Accurate Perforating Products. Working with Saf-T-Vanish from a performance standpoint has been a great asset for us. I'm running at room temperature, which is almost unheard of. Heat is a big enemy of tooling, especially in the stamping industry. And this really covers that for me. There's different formulations of it, and they all seem to be hitting a home run for us. The most important thing for us here is employee safety. In the past, we were using solvent-based lubricants. There was actually like a cloud of solvent in the air. With the Saf-T-Vanish, that's not present anymore. When I submitted the SDS to our safety manager here, I thought he was going to hug me. He was so happy to be able to take additional VOCs out of our environment and that we didn't have to worry about flammability issues. So it's been a win-win for us. TowerMWF fluids and Accurate Perforating, to me, is a dream team. Working together with them as our partner, it's our vehicle to a safer, healthier future.